we here. Still not done. Still taking videos, photos, and some beautiful places. And this is the nice one, the camel. Yeah, the beautiful lady here. You see the beautiful lady in camel. And my friend Shane. See the beautiful one. Hi. Still there is place. See. See, there is a lot of tourist people from another country. And my two friends still there, not finished having and taking photos over there. Hi. I'm the one carrying your bags after that. See? You see this beautiful one, the beautiful lady in the camel, from the top of the camel. Another one. Another one.
Ang ano niyan, ang presko.
Oh, diba? Kitang-kita, sabi ko sa'yo. Diba?
Game na? Ano na yan? Dito gusto ko straight.
Sige, Shane. Ano lang, para na rin kita ang pinipicturan. Sige lang. Shane. Saan ba? Ay, picture daw kaming tatlo. Hindi pwedeng hindi kasali. Ay, sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry. See? This is our photographer. Maylene. Here.
Dito yung pang profile ko,
And
maganda.
we are three. We are three. Beautiful.
Dapat ganyan yung gitna. Kaso putol naman eh.
Asan?
Ito, putol.
They love photos, actually.
Portrait nga to.
Kaya nga, ikaw mag-adjust.
They're arguing about the
Be,
photo.
bakit?
See?
Bakit ba nandyan ka? Hindi pa kami tapos, no? Ikaw tapos na eh.
See?
Hindi pa kami tapos.
Don't worry, I'm here.
Naka-video call ka ba?
No. Vlogging. I'm vlogging. Not video, vlogging. Sorry ko si Maylene.
May
Yeah.
tao sa likod mo eh.
May tao sa likod ko? Misa?
Ayaw kang umalis.
Ginugulo ko sila. Ginugulo ko sila kasi nagpipictorial sila. Tapos na ako magpictorial kaya ako na lang yung magbablog. May bablog ko sila.
1, 2,
See? See? Here. Ako lang magbablog. Dahil muna kasi I'm tired already. Maya na ulit.